What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I am going to share cool method to get amazing discount on Temu after following this video. So what you need to do is simply click the link in the description, then you will redirect it into this type of customized link as you can see here at the URL section. Then what you need to do is simply select what you want to buy from Temu, then simply add this code on the checkout page which I am going to share you right now. Just wait for a while. You need to use this code to get amazing discount. This is the code where you will get up to 90% discount if you are new or existing user by using this code. Okay, so you just need to enter this code on the checkout page. That's it, you don't need to do anything else. Then if this method is not working, use this method number 2 and this will definitely work for you. So what you need to do is left your current Temu account and create new Temu account in other devices, for example in different mobile phone, PC, laptop or other computer, using link in the description and using new email ID which is not registered before on Temu. Then you are eligible to use promo code and this method will definitely working for you. So simply left your current account, create new Temu account in other devices using link in the description and new email ID, then select any of the product, then add this code on the checkout page to get 90% discount. Go try this will definitely work for you and you will get amazing discount on Temu. Just try it and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.